And here we have various engine pistons and sleeves, and the oil filter housing, carburetor, muffler, again the nose cone, a fuel tank, which I know has got at least one bad spot in it, and the hood for the Allis Chalmers B 1949 model year. It does have a pretty good manifold back there, and the temperature gauge glass is cracked, but the gauge appears to be intact, and just various other parts. But this is part of the craziness you see in my shop. I guess I should get better organized, since there's, going back to the 1938 Allis Chalmers B Thompson modified cane tractor. The manifold on it, I believe, is pretty well shot. It's not very good shape. There's various parts there in the bucket, as well as this other bucket with valve covers, valve tappets, just all sorts of parts and pieces. But both these tractors that I have come across have been previously tinkered with, and the previous individuals decided it was too much for them. So now it's up to me to see if I can resurrect them.